Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact Minecraft version and the Java runtime. Use Java 8 for legacy builds or Java 17 for modern forks. Make sure it's 64-bit. Once done, back up your Minecraft folder so you can revert if needed. Next, remove any other mods or launcher wrappers that often conflict. Then delete the old Liquidbounce files and place the freshly downloaded client jar into the correct mods or versions folder, so the loader will detect a clean build. You should run Minecraft once after putting the new jar in place, so configuration files generate, then close the game. After that, edit the launcher profile. Set JVM arguments like XMX2G, XMS1G to give sufficient memory and add GC flags if crashes are OOM. Make sure the client is launched with the matching profile, Forge, Fabric, or Vanilla, so libraries load properly. Also check for mod loader version mismatches, because those are a common mid-process failure point. You finish by launching into a clean single-player world to validate stability. Watch the launcher and in-game logs for stack traces or explicit error codes. If it runs, slowly reintroduce other mods one at a time, keeping backups after each successful step so you can pinpoint the offender. If crashes continue, copy the latest log and the full stack trace. Use those exact lines when diagnosing. That precise error info is the key troubleshooting tip to resolve persistent crashes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.